In this video, I'm gonna be walking through, can we delete time spent on Instagram? Instagram lets you track your daily activities through time spent, while you can't directly delete your total time on Instagram. You can reset or clear your track time by controlling usage settings and data. Here's how. Step 1. Check your time spent on Instagram. Go to your Instagram, go to your profile, tap on menu, tap on your activity. In here, scroll down, tap on time spent, and here you will see how long you've used Instagram daily and weekly. Step 2. Delete or reset time data indirectly. Instagram doesn't let you delete time spent directly, but you can reset it in these ways. First way, clear your app data if you're using Android phone. Just go to your Android phone settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. From this app list, you have to find out Instagram and tap on that. Tap on storage, tap on clear cache, clear data, tap on delete, and then this signs you out and resets your app time usage history. Just go ahead and do it and resign into your Instagram account, and your Instagram account time spent data will be deleted. And if you're using an iPhone, you can just go to your iPhone settings, go to general, tap on iPhone storage and just offload the Instagram app and reinstall the app. Step 3. Set a daily time limit. To manage your time instead of deleting it, go to your Instagram, go to profile, tap on menu, tap on your activity, tap on your time, tap on daily limit, and then just go ahead and select a daily usage limit from here. So that's how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.